How to clean grass from under the deck on your Ryobi 1+ lawnmower. So first things first, if it's battery powered, take out the battery. You can also take out the big red gate, not always necessary when the battery's removed. I like to put the handles down, then remove the basket and give this a brush out. Also the back flap, open this up and give everything a good brush down. Then flip your cordless Ryobi 1+ lawnmower on its nose. And if everything's really stuck and you've not cleaned it for a bit, you may need a wallpaper scraper to scrape off that stubborn, stuck grass. However, if it's only been used once or twice, a stiff garden brush should do the trick, and I will leave a link in the description to one. And just give everything a good brush down, and make sure you wear some heavy duty gardening gloves, because hitting that blade with your knuckles will hurt. Once everything's brushed down and nice and clean, it should be ready to store. You can give the wheels a brush down also and give them a bit of WD-40 to keep them spinning smoothly. However, that's not necessary all the time. So hopefully that helps you clean the grass from under the deck. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.